So today we're going to be using SB3 Hyde. This is one of the products that is only available for professional installers. You can find professional installers if you go on SB3.com or SB3Coatings.com, description below. And if you put in your postcode, zip code, they're actually going to tell you where is the closest installer, so you can get a free quote from them. However, just wanted to show you on this Mercedes G-Wagon. This is 2017, I think so. So we already prepped this interior. So we vacuumed it, we blow it out. You know, it's not perfect. You know, this thing has probably, I don't know, maybe about 40,000 miles on it or so. But what we did is we took Corsair Clean and we cleaned up all the leather. We removed all the body oils, all the dirt and stuff like that. So this leather is actually pretty clean. So what we're going to be doing now, I'm going to tell you why we're doing it, and whilst I'm showing you why we're doing it, you will be able to see how we do it. You know, it kind of looks pretty simple to do it, and it's not too difficult. However, with these professional grade coatings, if you mess it up, it's going to be super easy to remove it. It's just going to take you a longer time, and you might have to seek a professional's help to actually fix whatever you've done wrong. So I would recommend you, if you want to do it at home, there's different types of coatings that you can use, you know, and obviously try to exercise, you know, try the stuff out on the parts of the vehicle or an older vehicle, you know, that you don't care that much for. For example, the rear seats, you know, or your mom's or dad's car, you know, whatever you want to do. But just, yeah, maybe do like a less visible spot where you want to test it out. However, anyway, just wanted to show you how we install these coatings, and then wanted to talk to you about benefits, why we're doing it. Specifically, we install these coatings on brand new vehicles, brand new Range Rovers with lighter interiors, darker interiors. Specifically on lighter interiors, it's very important to get those seats protected because of the gene transfer, the dye transfer from your, you know, from your jeans. You know, skirt, whatever you're wearing, you know, whatever you're comfortable wearing, and whatever leaves the dye on the seats, it's going to be way easier to remove it. Tesla seats, the white interior, also super beneficial if you coat the Tesla seats with this coating, because the gene transfer, or let's say spilled coffee, is going to be way easier to remove it. It's not going to penetrate the leather. To my understanding, the way I understand it, you know, and I'm trying to, you know, I've been taught like this idiot-proof way, you know, because I like to learn it the simple way. I don't get into the chemistry of it. But the way I understand these coatings is a leather has pores, open pores, a lot of them, you know. That's why it's so soft, it's so flexible. They had to design a coating that can fill in those pores but still breathe. Otherwise, you know, like I would assume, let's say if you would put some heavy grease on or wax on it, first obviously you would get your clothes dirty, but obviously it's not going to breathe, and if it doesn't breathe, then you sweat. You know, so they have designed these coatings specifically that they're breathable. And in the meantime, if you spill something, it's not going to run into the seat, but it's going to run off the seat. And whenever it's going to stop the liquid or dirt, it's going to cake on top of this top layer of the coating. It's going to be easier to remove it. Okay, so that's how I understand these coatings, and that's why they're beneficial. So if you spill something, it runs off the seat. You know, it doesn't damage the leather, and it's easy to remove any dye or paint transfer. Guys, this is a really quick way to show you how we install these coatings. The preparation is the most important thing. It's got to be clean. Afterwards, you apply the coating. You don't wait for too long. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. Remove the residue. The residue is going to absorb in the leather and going to keep your interior protected. Do not leave it on for too long, or you have to use some sort of, you know, harder chemicals to remove the excess, and you don't want to do that. So always try somewhere where you can't see, where it's not that important. You know, if you mess it up, read the instructions on the coating application on the back of the bottle or box, and yeah, make them pretty. Something like that.